Hello there, my name is Marella and welcome to my How to Do It series. This morning we're looking at Summit Pose, Urdhva Hastasana. Take a good standing position, feet inner hip width apart or together. Press down equally at the four corners of your feet into the floor. Squeeze your shins in, lift your kneecaps, engage your quads. Press your tailbone down, engage your core, and then inhale, lift your arms overhead. Hands shoulder width apart, elbows over shoulders, palms opposite each other. Stretch hands, arms up, root down with feet into the floor. Move lower ribs back. Inhale, exhale, lower your hands to your sides. And that's how you come into Summit Pose, Urdhva Hastasana. If you like this video, do give me a like, a share, or even subscribe to me on YouTube. Thanks a million for coming to practice. See you on the mat.